Hi guys, today I'm going to demonstrate and show you guys how to clean your pendant and the gold. This is a pendant where I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how to clean the gold and the stone, and because just not long ago I received a request where was asking how to clean their gold and stone. So this is what we're gonna do. You don't have to go drive to a jeweler store and ask them to clean it for you. You can do it at home, and you can do it more often. First thing is I have a really hot water, and I have a regular faucet water, and I purchased one of toothpaste, fluoride toothpaste, because fluoride works the best. It has the properties to clean a gunk and old stuff that it's been stuck to your gold and got dried up and everything. And Colgate has this brand is really inexpensive and has a fluoride, so you can use any fluoride toothpaste in that. And then I got really cheap brush that you could use. These are all like $2 piece or $1.50, you know, not a big money. You can invest to use this to clean your pendant in this matter, or your jewelry, which in time what happens is, like, a lot of time women or men, they use a lot of perfume, a lot of lotion, a lot of sweat, everything. Over the years it gets really hard, and it gets stuck to your jewelry, and it gets really dull. Your gold gets dull and everything. So what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm gonna take this Colgate and this brush. I wanna just put on it a little bit like that, right? Like this. And I wanna get this pendant is so dirty. That's why I wanna make this video, because this is perfect piece to show you guys how to clean. If you guys see, the stone is not even shiny, the gold is not shining. Very soon when I clean, I'm gonna put it in the hot water, let it soak for a minute. The best is you can leave it in the hot water, let it soak for like 10 minutes, and I'm gonna take it out. It's enough. Get a little bit of hot water, and I'm just gonna kind of like apply it everywhere and brush it really good everywhere like that. Fluoride has properties in it where it polishes metal too. It takes very long time to polish, but it does polish metal. It's made on purpose so you can have really good clean teeth. So basically your teeth is, it has enamel and it needs a lot of cleaning. And then when you use this kind of toothpaste that has a fluoride in it, it's going to shine the enamel. Just make sure that, you know, you brush really nice. Take your time. Don't just do a little bit, you know. If you have to dip it in the hot water a little bit, and try to go between all the prongs, all the stones. Get a little more water, and then I want to do the surface now, taking my time, making sure I'm reaching all the corners. And this brush is plastic and it's hard, and it's pretty stiff. It could go all the corners because of that. Now I'm using nice good hot water just to make sure that I'm breaking all the soap, all the toothpaste, everything off of it. Okay, now I'm gonna use clean water. Like that. I could see huge difference already. Big difference. It's already very clean. The gold is shiny. I'm gonna dry it a little bit. Try to get this napkin. Pretty much you want to take the napkin and kind of like push it in, and pretty much this is how you're gonna treat your gold and stones to clean really nice. If you guys haven't seen the video previous that we got this comment that how to clean your gold, we will be putting the link for that for you guys to go see that one too. But this is how you clean gold, bring the shine back, remove the dirt. I want you guys to see what happened here. It's like really nice, clean. You can see the stone, beautiful, shiny now, and you don't see all the dirt is gone. Underneath, all the dirt disappeared. If you guys have any comment, please leave down below. If you guys want to know how to clean other gold, diamond, anything, let me know. I'll try to figure out how you guys can do it home without purchasing any machinery, anything like that. You don't have to drive to jewelry store to have your jewelry cleaned. And if you guys have any questions, please leave down below. I'll be more than happy to show you and talk to you guys about it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.